Hey boys and girls, we're going to go through the guided class practice. Make sure you're on side 22A. Of course, we're going to start with our name at the top. I'm going to write my name in pencil while you write yours. And then we're going to write today's date. So first we start with the month, which is going to start with an uppercase A-U-G-U-S-T. Then don't forget your finger space. And then the number on the date tag today is 24. We need a little comma with another finger space. And then what do we need next? Right, the year, 2020. All right, and what number are we tracing today? It's a 20. It starts with a 2, ends in a 0. It's a 20. So first, trace it with your finger. And then the dotted one, we're going to trace with our pencil. And then we're going to write a 20 one more time, starting at this dot. So the 2, we start at the dot, we go up, touch the top line, slant to the left, and slide along the bottom. The 0 needs to touch the top line and the bottom line. There we go. All right, let's listen to today's story. It says, Carlos had 7 baseball cards. He gave 3 cards to his friend. Draw a picture to show what happened. So let's first think. What type of story is this? Is this a some more story where he started with some baseball cards and he got some more? Or is this some one away where he got some baseball cards and he gave some away? It's a some one away story. All right, so in a some one away story, we draw the items that he started with. And I said Carlos had 7 baseball cards. So I'm just going to draw 7 quick rectangles to represent my cards. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then I'm going to go back and double check that I have the right number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then it says he gave 3 cards away. So since this is a some one away story, we're going to cross cards out. Should we start with the left side or the right side? That's right, we're going to start on the right. And he gave 3 away, so I'm going to count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Now it says, how many baseball cards does Carlos have now? So let's count how many cards are not crossed out. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cards. So we're going to write a 4 here. In section 3, it says how many apples are in each row. So we just need to count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll write a 4 on this line. And then this one has 1. Easy. Let's count this row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come down, around, and give them a hat. And then the next row is 1, 2. All right, make sure none of your numbers are backwards. Now it says use a red crayon to color the apples in the row with the most. So point to which row you think has the most apples in. If you pointed to this one with 5, you are right. So it says color the apples in the row with the most. So I'm just going to quickly put some color in each apple. You do not have to fill in the apple perfectly. Just fill it in enough so that we all know which apples you meant to color. Then it says use a green crayon to color the apples in the row with the fewest. So point to the row you think has the fewest apples. If you said that one, the one with 1 apple, nice job. So I'm going to color that apple with green. All right. Now down here in section 4, it says color the squares red. So let's go through each shape. I'm going to get my red crayon. Here it is, or color pencil. Is this first shape a square? It sure is. So we're going to put some red in there quickly. Is this a square? No. Is this a square? Nope. What about this one? It sure is. So we're going to color that with some red. How about this guy? Nope, that's a circle. And how about this last one? That's a square, so let's color that red. All right, the next part of this says how many squares did you color? So let's count. 1, 2, 3. So we're going to write a 3 here. Make sure that's not backwards either. Now in section 5, it says circle the 6th shape. So we're going to start on the left. Why don't we practice saying our ordinal position? Say it with me. Ready? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. So point to the shape that you think is in 6th place. If you said this one right here, nice job. So we're going to put a circle around it. Now it says put an X on the fourth shape. So point to the shape that you think is in the fourth position. If you said this one, good job. We're going to put an X over top of it. Then it says color the fifth shape yellow. So point to the fifth shape. If you said this one, you got it. And we're going to color it quickly yellow. And then we're done. Don't forget to do side B for homework. Good luck.